Konnichiwa. Today we discuss. So it's a week review. We do our seventh class, sixth class, 6 days class, Japanese class week review. In this week review, I only read and you listen, and also try to read with me. So before we start the video, sorry for Saturday because I come late. That's why I can't upload the video. And so if I have a time today, then I will upload, and if I not, then sorry in advance because I have some work to do, but hopefully you enjoy it. So let's start. First we have words names in Japanese part 1. So let's start. Words mean tori, chicken niwatori, duck ahiru, eagle wasi, falcon hayabusa, flamingo goes cacho, owl fukoro, parrot omo, penguin, rooster ondori, seagull common me, so on. Hokucho, taken, ohashi, turkey, tsuchimenchi. Then we have insects names in Japanese. So insects called koncho in Japanese. First we have ant, ari, bee, hachi, beetle, kabutomoshi, butterfly, cho. So then we have butterfly, cho, caterpillar, camosi, centipede, mukave. Then we have cockroach, gukimuri, cricket, korogi, dragonfly, tonbo, firefly, hotaru, fly, nomi, fly, high, grasshopper, bata, ladybug, tantamushi, lice, sirami, mantis, kamakiri, scorpion, sasori, spider, momo, tick, dani, wasp, suzo में Then we have materials names in Japanese. Paper, kami, like this paper is kami. Plastic I use pen was plastic. Purasuchiku, silver again. Wood ki, wool, uru. Aluminium, aluminum, cotton, vata, glass, garasu, gold, kin, leather, kawa. Then we have shopping things names in Japanese. Accessories, akusari. Then we have shoes, sword, kusuya. Women's clothing, funjin fuku. Jewelry, jewelry. Perfumery, kusui, men clothing. Shinshi fuku, health and beauty. Harasu to beauty. Department store, depato. Furniture and decor. Kaguya Sokoso, children's clothing. Komodo fuku, book and magazine. Soseki Yamajashi. Then we have supermarket names in Japanese. Bakery, panya. Beverage, namimono. Connecticut's consume dairy product, Nyosehin frozen foods, Rasusuken Suhi household item, Sesoyohin organic products, Organico Sharin produce, Kudamono also visit Yosoi snacks, Sunakusukasi sweets and chocolate. Was it to chocolate though? Then we have let's switch. Then we have shopping things names in Japanese part 2. So Apple is Kadensin. So the kanji right there. Toy store. Omachiya. Electronics. Then item sporting goods. Supato Yohin. Serviso. Food court. Futokoto. Fitting room. Shijakusisu. As escalator. Escalator. Gift form. Gifuto no so. Cards and gifts. Kadu giftu. Others. Sonota. So before this end video, if you going to comment, so please try to comment in English because some people comment in different languages like Japanese, Hindi, and I think more foreign like from my last state. I don't know the language name like French. I already translate that. So please try to comment in English because I will be if I translate then why people don't understand. I only understand your comment but people don't understand. So try to comment on English so people also understand and they can also relatable to that comment. Okay, and also my English so weak, so try to comment small way English and don't know full English. I just practicing my English. So first I will tell you before end the video also. If you need to learn fully Japanese, go to your library. Wednesday, search the library nearby me. So there are more library in Japanese in India and other countries as searches. So you can go and try to learn there because if you go you will be tall people, then your tall connective will be good and you first learn Japanese. Okay, so try to go libraries alone or with friend, what you prefer. So thank you for watching. Sayonara, and I hope you understand. Bye.